Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a famous celebrity that belongs to politics. She is a famous politician and former Vice President of the United States, making history as the first female, first Black, and first South Asian person to hold the office. Well, how do we say her name correctly? We may pronounce it as Kamala Harris, Kamala Harris, Mala, Hey, Riss, Kamala Harris. Kamala Harris is known for her work in criminal justice reform and advocacy for social equality. She has had a significant impact on American politics. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share more words you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.